Hi everyone, this ladies and gentlemen, is an acrylic I've just done for my Patreon. I've explained the colours I've used, the paints I've used, and the brushes, and a complete run through of it, and two parts. The first part is just getting it set out with the sky and the water, and then introducing the two side pieces here, the trees, adding a little bit of warmth to the background of this sky. And now I've done the sky. I've not done it in a splattering way like I did the last one for you, and I've done it using just a bit of broad brush work, and not too clever way of doing it, but and just showing how easy it is to put things like this in it when you're using the acrylic. You can put your whites in afterwards, where with watercolour you're cutting round. Also you can put different colours into your trees, which we all like to do that, don't we? Put some nice different type of colours, not all one colour in your tree. We like a bit of colour into them, which you get in a tree in different coloured leaves and so on. The light is in this side and then reflecting of these two warehouses and reflecting into the river here. So that's the one I've just done for my Patreon. I hope they like it. I think they will. It's a bit different. We've not ventured into the acrylics much on our site, but if they wanted to get into acrylics, we can do that. So I hope you like it, and thanks for being with me. Thanks for subscribing too. Bye for now. Thanks for looking in. See you later. Bye bye for now. Be with you next time.